Okay, welcome to my world of charting. Now, the difference between fundamentals and charting is fundamentals tell you why you should buy, but it doesn't tell you when you should buy, and that's the problem. Now, let me give you an example. Mackey on Fast Money. He's been in Walmart, and he was losing money on Walmart, and he was complaining every day, and finally he gets out right here, right at the wrong point. We bought it right here. He got out, we got in, and it shot straight up. So he's hurting a little bit. How did we know, okay, that it was going up and he didn't know? Because he uses fundamentals. Fundamentals tell you why you should buy something. It doesn't tell you when, and it doesn't tell you when to get out. Execution is what's the most important thing about investing. When do you execute? Put that order in. How did we know this? Well, let me show you. First of all, there's a buy signal. These lines right here, the red and white line, when they're at the top, that means it's overbought. When it's on the bottom, it's oversold. So he made a mistake. He was staying in, and he had no idea it was overbought. He should have been shorting, betting the stock was going down, making money as the stock was coming down, see? And then just as it turned here to go the other way, we went from a sell signal to a buy signal. He didn't realize it. He got out, and then the buying came in. That's one. How do we know exactly right here to buy it? Well, we have a little chart that helps us. You put it up. You just go put your symbol in. Click it on, and here it is. This gives you support. See, 40, 70, 80. So here's where it was coming down. So I waited till it hit this line right here, 47.80. That told you there was a high probability the stock was going to go back up, that the institutions finished selling it. See, this was the institutions selling. This right here, okay, that's the institutions selling the stock right here. Not individuals, institutions. So you always follow the institutional money. So we said buy, and we bought right here. We caught a nice rally. Now, Mackey lost money. We made money. Then when it got right up to this point, we sold and took our profits. And look what happened. It's starting to pull back. So we sold going right into this point here. So the chart tells you what the big guys, what they're doing, the highest probability of what they're doing when they're holding on or when they're dumping, and we follow them with simple charting. I'll give you another one. FCX. Now, copper is excellent. We're in copper. Now, copper is the same thing. Cramer, the other day, he got on the air and he told everybody to buy copper right here. Of course, he was wrong. He wasn't wrong about buying copper. He was right about that, but he was wrong in his execution. As soon as he told people to buy copper, look at this, went straight down. He lost 7%. Well, it's going up now, but the problem is people who lost 7%, they're just trying to make their money back. We bought it right here. See, Cramer didn't, who says he doesn't like charts, Cramer, okay, he told people to buy it right at the wrong place. We knew not to buy it because see how this red line crossed the white dotted line? That's a sell signal. Tell you too many people bought here. It's overbought. And look at this. As soon as it turned across that white dotted line, look how it fell. Look at that. See? Fell right down. Then when it turned, okay, that's where I told my students to buy it. And we bought it right here. So we're making money now on the way up. All you do is take your other chart, the one I showed you before, same thing. This is called X1. You don't have to be a gang member to get this if you don't want. This is 1995, 1495. All right, so let's put it up. FCX. Now you see right here, as it was pulling back, as Cramer was losing money for his viewers, okay, as he was losing money. You would have known where he said, when he said to buy it, okay, right at this 44 area, okay, you would have known not to because of this right here. On the way back down, here was the support. See it right here? 38.24. Here's the support right here, 38.24. So in other words, you just extrapolate it. Here's your support, 38.24. Here's your support, 38.24. Exactly where we bought it, right there. So again, he was dead wrong. He was right about buying it. He couldn't execute it right. And Walmart, same thing. Here's another one he's executing wrong. Yum. The other night, he told everybody to buy Yum. Well, look, Yum's getting hit now. They're losing money on Yum. See this? Because look, this is a sell signal. Also, see the volume? This represents volume bars. This was big volume came in. See this big green line? A lot of volume came in. So the price, at this price at $34.50, was justified. But then see how the next volume bar was half that? That means this price went up. How could a price go up when you had less people buying? Think of it as a shirt store you go into. Go into a shirt store, and everybody's in there buying that shirt. So the store guy, he keeps on raising the price. You go in next day, you want to buy it on sale. Half the people showed up. The idiot that owns the store raises the price? Sure he does, because he's trying to make more money and less volume. Now, people are coming back, and they want returns. They're not even buying. See these red lines? They're selling. They're coming back and say, look, I want my money back. But he's still keeping the price of his shirt up. Next day, they want their money. He's still keeping the price up here. He's going to have to correct that price. Finally, he corrected it. See it? And it's going to even correct more. So this is a sell signal. He's got volume that's telling you it's going to start selling off. People aren't buying it anymore. So he told you to buy it exactly at the wrong place. So we'll follow this and see what's better, using a chart or using Cramer. That's not even a contest. Okay, so why don't you this weekend come to my class? It's archived to Sunday. So if you can't make it on Saturday, 12 Eastern to 3 Eastern, you can't make it, that's okay. It's archived right up to the following Sunday on demand, your leisure. How's that? Okay? Or why don't you join the gang or both? We'll see you on the charts.